Hey y'all, this is David with Liberty Suppressors, and today I want to tell you about our latest 22 silencer development. What this is the Regulator TI. Okay, this is a titanium tube, titanium core regulator. Now, that don't sound like a major change from the existing regulator, but when you understand that this can comes in under 4 ounces total weight, and it's one of the quietest suppressors on the market, it's hard to compete with that. This can is literally top tier. Basically, is like, it's not even on the end of the gun, okay? It's just not there. And the suppression is phenomenal. And you get the latest core technology, such as the integrated rear mount. Now that it's not screwed in, we've eliminated one of the points of connection so that you have less stacking tolerance issues along the way, so that you get a more accurate alignment. So now basically you have the breeching face where it breaches on the firearm, and that's it. The rest of it is integrated into the baffle stack. It's all one piece, all machined in one setup. Maximum mechanical alignment. Doesn't get any better than that. It has the wave lock tube, such as the original one. It just slides in, locates, it drops in the groove. Still has the left-handed thread nut. So you unscrew it to screw it on, snug that down finger tight, you're ready to use it. It's that simple. So if you want one of these super lightweight 22 rimfire cans, just go on our website, give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you. It's all in here. You can shoot us an email, we'll answer those. So until you talk to us next time, keep your powder dry, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.